That's Malena putting her drink on her MacBook.
Drink, and that's my MacBook, and you need to shut the fuck up. Pink itself, so it blends in more.
All right, we'll just into the next round.
No.
Please.
Someone's making burp compilations of me.
So they're clipping it.
Like 5-minute long videos of me just fucking ripping it. Counterspell.
Why is he freaking out?
That was an oof.
Dude, I look at Buddy. Some verified on Twitter means absolutely nothing.
Can you mute? It's important. Can
you
mute?
have to fart.
Quick,
Nope,
quick.
Fart.
It's important.
Fart.
I had to get that out. You're fucking terrible. You're terrible.
Nothing wrong with her. She doesn't fucking know shit.
You could do some sightseeing and drive to the airport to show.
Back.
Okay, sir, take a left at this stop sign.
At the.
Oh, true.
And you wonder where I thought.
I didn't even chew.
What?
Own team.
No.
Italian wins. Denmark will obliviate them.
You're
Like 150 low grade.
Yeah, we can give it to him.
Yeah, I gave him 200. Woo! They're invisible. Sorry. Let me grab some shoes.
Is that acceptable for like a permaban chat? Is that something that is acceptable? Get older. It's usually the opposite. The older the women get, the worse they look. But you, the older you're.
Better? Is better?
Well, you always think you're smarter than me.
But like, I don't want to look over to see where the fuck.
Get that checked out. And while you're down there, you should figure out where that charger is to the bird cam. Oh my god. Did you just fart?
Are you feeling better? More than that.
Well, don't miss. You don't need that much.
But these things have respawned over and over.
I can't get in.
Do you have a grenade? But keep our stream open though, you know? Fuck, I forgot the compilation, dude. Sorry about that. Nick said that he'd go to Spain with me instead of Norway.
Guys, you want some Spain streams? Because our teammate picked Bloodhound.
Someone else picked it.
This guy's level 14.
Introducing your champion.
I'm gonna get
What? Lose any if it's meat?
no, it just gets thin.
Okay, so it's not like it's going anywhere.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Girl rants. Yeah.
About you for a second here, okay?
Yeah.
That's what I said. Do some cardio when you get back.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Well, we don't do that stuff because we're like intellectually just we talk about important things. You know, we play Apex. You know, it's a little different. We don't do stuff like that around here. You know.
I'm muted. They didn't hear it. Okay.
Yeah.
Want to go play Apex?
Please stop griefing me. I beg you.
No.
Dude, what is wrong with you, man?
Stop lying. No, you would not. Did you have fun yesterday?
No, did you?
Who cares? Literally, absolutely everybody.
Verified on Twitter means absolutely nothing.
Can you mute? It's important. Can
You
you
have
mute?
to fart.
Quick,
Nope,
quick.
Fart.
It's important.
Fart.
I had to get that out. You're fucking terrible. You're terrible.